What's up, YouTube? Got some new stuff in for the Hyper. Let's check it out and see what we got. It's the front axle slider. Here's the product number for it right here. Right here. Rear axle sliders. Product number here. So I can lift the bike up, clean the chain up a little bit. Number for those right here. So you see the front has this indentation right here, and the front axle up here has this kind of sticks out. So this one goes over top of it like so. So I'm gonna take this end off right here. I'm gonna slide this in like that. Just like this here. This is here just like that. I'm gonna go on the other side. It goes in here like that. Okay, socket size is a 13 millimeter on both sides. So what I'm gonna do is hold this one in here like this. Grab the other side. On both sides. So I'm gonna check the other side, make sure it's straight up over there. Alright, nice and hand tight, both sides. We're good to go. Let's move on to the rear. Now the rear is the same as the front, except it's shaped a little different. The rear has this lip. Goes over the rear nut, the rear axle nut. So same process. I'm gonna move this one in here. Slide this in like that. I like the Evotech sign straight up. It goes washer, then nut. I'm gonna go on the other side. Okay, nice and hand tight on both sides. Good to go. I got the other side in there already. Alright, so it slides in here like this. Like that. Goes that way like this. And goes right up in here. I'll clean that up a little bit. Residue in here. So, but make sure you leave some Loctite on these. You don't need a whole bunch, just got a little bit on there. Goes right in here like that. As I do everything, hand tight first. Alright, so it's getting a little tough, so I'm gonna grab my socket. Grab my 6 millimeter. Alright, there's right nice and tight. We're all set up. Alright, here we go. Alright. That's all I got for you guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.